वेलकम टू रियलिटी चेक। आप सबको ईद उल फितर मुबारक। लेकिन क्या आपको याद है वो बचपन वाली ईद जब छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ भी सबसे बड़ी लगती थी? टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ईद मेमोरीज, अबाउट ट्रेडिशंस एंड अबाउट द वे वी यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट ईद उल फितर। क्या आज की ईद में वो एक्साइटमेंट है जो बचपन में महसूस हुआ करती थी? For many of us, Eid during childhood felt magical. The excitement started days before the moon was even sighted. चांद रात का इंतज़ार और फिर एक ही सवाल कि क्या चांद नज़र आ गया है या नहीं. Children would wait eagerly for the moon announcements and the markets suddenly come alive. Homes would fill with preparations and laughter. But today, Many people say something feels different. क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है? तो सवाल ये है, ईद बदल गई है या फिर हम बदल गए हैं? ईद इन आवर चाइल्डहुड। बचपन की ईद जहाँ खुशी महंगी नहीं होती थी. न्यू क्लोथ्स वर स्टिच्ड वीक्स बिफोर ईद. Tailors worked day and night and children kept asking every day, is my dress ready yet? Chand Raat was a celebration in itself and families would go to markets together. चांद रात की रोशनी, मेहंदी की खुशबू और बाजारों का रश. Girls applied मेहंदी while children bought toys and bangles, and then came the most exciting moment, which is Eid, of course. Visiting relatives meant collecting envelopes filled with money and excitement. सुबह से शाम तक बस एक ही मिशन होता था कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ईदी इकट्ठी की जाए. And of course, the food as well. Homes were filled with the aroma of traditional dishes like sheer khorma. Neighbors visited without invitations. Doors were open and homes were filled with conversation. अब बात करते हैं आज की ईद के बारे में. आज भी ईद आती है, लेकिन क्या वही वाली ईद आती है जो बचपन में हुआ करती थी? टुडे ईद इज फिल्ड विद जॉय, बट द स्टाइल ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन हैज़ changed over years. Technology has transformed the way we connect with people. Instead of visiting relatives, many greetings now happen through WhatsApp messages and social media. ईद मिलने से ज़्यादा ईद पोस्ट करने की रेस अब चल रही है. शॉपिंग हैज़ चेंज्ड टू. Online stores and brands have replaced the traditional markets for so many people. Children still receive Eid, but the tradition of visiting every relative's home is becoming very less common now. Families are smaller and many people live far away because of work or studies. So let's talk about that. What has changed? बदला क्या है? सिर्फ तरीका या एहसास भी? Perhaps the biggest change is lifestyle. Life has become faster. People have less time for long family gatherings. Technology connects us instantly, but sometimes it also creates distance. Yet the real spirit of Eid remains the same. It's about gratitude, it's about generosity, and it's about reconnecting with your loved ones. शायद ईद नहीं बदली, शायद वक्त बदल गया है. Every generation experiences Eid differently. For some, Eid means memories of childhood streets filled with laughter. But for others, it's about building new traditions in a modern world. But the spirit of Eid ul Fitr remains timeless. तो इस ईद पर सिर्फ कपड़े नए ना हो, बल्कि रिश्तों में गर्माहट भी नहीं हो. Because the real joy of Eid has never been in the things we buy. It has always been in the people that we share it with. I am Ramna Said and thank you for watching Reality Check. Catch you in the next episode. Hope you enjoy your Eid. Thank you.